Hello students, let us continue with articles part 4. In the previous video we were doing articles part 3. We have completed 8 points and I have told you that article the is definite article because in this a person, place or thing is particularized. Okay. Now next point is that article the is used before common noun in singular number when it stands for the whole class. When there is a singular common noun, okay, that stands for the whole class, when we use article the before it. For example, the cow gives milk. The cow gives milk. We are talking about not one cow, not two cows, not 100 cows. All the cows, all the class. Generalized. We have generalized cow with the help of article the. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The cow gives milk. We cannot say cow, the cows give milk. We can say the cow gives milk or cows give milk. In that case, when you are using plural number, article the is not used. Okay. Then next point is we use the in place of possessive pronouns. Suppose we want to say he caught me by my collar, he caught me by my ear, he caught me by my neck. Then possessive pronoun is my. We can drop my and can use article the before that. For example, the police caught the thief by the ear. The police caught the thief by the arm. Okay. तो इसमें पहले पॉइंट में मैंने आपको क्या कहा, पॉइंट नंबर 9 में, कि अगर हम सिंगुलर कॉमन नाउन लेते हैं और उससे पहले द यूज करते हैं, दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर द होल क्लास ऑफ दैट थिंग. जैसे द काऊ मतलब सारी की सारी गाय दूध देती हैं, या द काऊ ईट्स ग्रास. कौन सी गाय घास खाती है? सभी गाय. तो द प्लस सिंगुलर दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर all the cows. Okay. So in next one we use the in place of possessive pronoun. Suppose I am saying he caught me by the arm. By my arm. My arm. You can drop my and you can say he caught me by the arm. That will automatically mean the arm mean my arm. Before an adjective of the superlative degree. You know that adjectives have 3 degrees. Simple degree, okay, that is we say positive degree. Then we have comparative degree and then we have superlative degree. Before superlative degree of an adjective, we always use article the. For example, she is the best student in the class. He is the best boy in the class. She is the most beautiful lady of the world. He is the most intelligent boy in our school. So, the most intelligent, either you use most for making superlative degrees. You use either most or est. In multi-syllable words, you use most, and in one syllable word, you use just er for comparative and est for superlative. तो जब भी आप सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज करोगे कहीं, तो आप क्या करोगे? द यूज करेंगे. जैसे ही इज द बेस्ट बॉय, द बेस्ट गर्ल, द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, द मोस्ट हैंडसम बॉय, द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट बॉय. ओके, क्लियर? You cannot say he is my the best friend. Why? Because my is also a determiner. We can use only one determiner in singular common before singular countable common noun. So when there is my, so we need not use the before it. Okay. Then we have Next one is before an adjective used as a noun. When we use article the before an adjective, it becomes noun. For example, rich. Rich is an adjective. How? He is a rich person. He is a blind person. Blind is an adjective. Rich is an adjective. But when we use the before an adjective, it becomes a noun. For example, the rich should help the poor. The rich is equal to rich person, rich people. The rich mean rich people, the poor mean poor people. The blind cannot see. The blind cannot see. The blind mean blind people cannot see. Okay. Then we have used. The is also used as an adverb with comparative, double comparative. When there is at that moment of time, in such type of use, article the becomes adverb. Part of speech is changed from an adjective or article to adverb. That becomes adverb. Suppose there is example: the higher you go, the cooler it is. The deeper the well, the sweeter the water. The deeper, here the is not an adjective. I have already told you that articles are actually demonstrative adjectives. So when we are using in a sentence, the deeper the well, the sweeter the water, in both these cases, the sweeter, the deeper, the is an adverb. Okay. So next is before titles and rank, we use the. Title or rank: the principal, the headmaster, the prime minister, the president, the governor, okay, the CEO, whatever titles or ranks are there, the king. Then next point is before proper noun used as a common noun. Go to the first article when I was talking about article A and N. I have told you that no article is used before proper noun. That's why I have done parts of speech with you, so that at this point of time you would not ask me what proper noun is and what common noun. I have already told you that proper noun is a proper noun. Proper is a particular name of a person, place or thing. And common noun is a name given in common to any person, place or thing of same class and kind. Okay. So we don't use article the before proper noun. But here I am saying before proper noun used as a common noun. फिर से मैं आपको ये बता देता हूं, प्रॉपर नाउन में हम कभी भी आर्टिकल द का यूज नहीं करते हैं. जैसे द इंडिया इज अ रिच कंट्री. नो, नॉट द इंडिया इज अ रिच कंट्री. The Sachin Tendulkar is the best player of cricket. No, Sachin Tendulkar we will not use article the. We can say Sachin Tendulkar is the best player of cricket. Okay, but we can use these proper nouns as common noun. Any person who plays well, who is master of cricket, can be Sachin Tendulkar. Mean the quality that Sachin Tendulkar is possessing can be possessed by anyone who is a good player of cricket. For example, suppose there is a person who is your friend and he plays cricket well and you are saying Vansh is the Sachin Tendulkar of our school. It means Vansh plays as good as Sachin Tendulkar. That quality of Sachin Tendulkar can be present in Vansh also. So we can say, suppose we have a student, her name is Ritika, and she sings very well. So we can compare her with Lata Mangeshkar, okay, Shreya Ghoshal. We can say Ritika is the Lata Mangeshkar of our school, our village, our town. So here when we are talking about real Lata Mangeshkar, we will say Lata Mangeshkar is the best singer of the world. We are not using article the before that because Lata Mangeshkar sings well. Lata Mangeshkar, that is proper noun. But that quality of singing well can be attached to, can be attributed to anyone who sings well. For example, Ritika is the Lata Mangeshkar of our village. Rohit is the Muhammad Rafi of our village. And we can say, for example, we say Ludhiana is the Manchester of India. Manchester of India mean for industrialization. Ludhiana is famous. Then we say Khajiar is the mini Switzerland, or Khajiar is the Switzerland of India. Mean Khajiar is as beautiful as Switzerland. Okay. Then at that point of time, when we are saying Ritika is the Lata Mangeshkar of our village or our school, at that point of time, Ritika is proper noun. Lata Mangeshkar, because the is used before Lata Mangeshkar, so Lata Mangeshkar becomes common noun. Anyone, any person can be Lata Mangeshkar because of that quality of singing well. Okay. So next one is when proper noun is used in plural number, it ceases to be proper noun. It requires definite article. When proper noun is used in plural number, ceases to be proper noun, requires definite article. Suppose we have Sharma, we have Chauhan, we have Bhatia, they are proper nouns. But when we are saying, when we are using them in plural and using article before, definite article before them, that ceases to be a proper noun. For example, the Bhatias are not at home. The Bhatias are not at home. That ceases to be a proper noun and we use definite article. The Chauhans are very brave. The Chauhans are very brave. Okay, we are generalizing at that time. Next point is before numbers which indicate serial order, rank, position, and or we can say there are two types of number, ordinals and cardinals numbers. Ordinals are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and ordinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and ordinal numbers are ranks or position. First, second, third, 21st. When students say what is the date today, they say today is 23. No, it is 23rd, 21st, first, second, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the 10th, the 11th, just like that. She studies in the 10th class, not 10th class. She studies in the 10th. Whenever there will be ordinals number, first, second, third, we will automatically use the before them. Then we have these three words. We use article the before same, very and whole. For example, this is the same book. This is the same book I wanted to purchase. This is the very pen I wanted to possess. The cat has drunk the whole milk. There are other meanings of whole that will be done in lesson when we will do determiners. All the determiners. Just we are doing article a and the. Then other determiners, whole, all, some, any. Then we will cover this whole. Okay. So this is the same book I want to buy. He is the very boy who created a lot of noise. This is the cat has drunk the whole milk. I could not sleep the whole night. Then next point is before a common noun already mentioned. When a common noun is mentioned earlier, we shall use article the when it it appears next time again. For example, I have a cow. For example, I have a cow. Now we have mentioned the noun cow. Now next time we will use the. I have a cow. The cow eats grass. I have a cow. The cow is black. I have a cow. I love the cow. Which cow? That you have mentioned earlier. Suppose you are saying, I bought a book. The book cost me 150 rupees. Mean you are talking about the same book that you have mentioned earlier. I met a boy. The boy is my student. I met a boy. You met any boy. That is indefinite. But when again you are using that common noun, you use article the before that, because that has been mentioned earlier and you are referring to the same boy, same cow. For example, I bought a pen. The pen is very beautiful. The pen means the same you are talking about. So student, next point is, now the next point is, in some phrases we use articles. You have to learn these phrases. In some phrases we use article the. These phrases are all the same, by the yard, in the nick of time, in the wake of, on the increase. For example, the crime rate is on the increase, on the increase. These phrases we use article the in these phrases. Okay, then we have next point. In some sentences we have distributed use of the. In some sentences we have distributed use of the. Mean at that moment of time the means each. For example, cloth is sold by the meter. By the meter mean by each meter. Oranges are sold by the dozen. By the dozen mean by each dozen. Okay. Then we have next point. In narrative we use article the. Suppose we are narrating a story. We say, once upon a time there was a king. The king was very kind. The king was very cruel. The king has the king had 4 wives. The king had 4 sons. The king had a beautiful palace. Mean in a narrative that noun is already mentioned and then you use article the. Then we have after both and all. In most of the cases when we use both, we say both the boys are absent, both the questions are very here. After both, after all, both the questions are very difficult. I have met all the students. All the questions were very easy. All the questions were very difficult. I have read all the books. All plus the. Then next is particular thing or well known to us. When we are talking about particular thing, you know, we use the and well known to us. For example, the boy whom I teach is very intelligent. Mean I know the boy. Okay. The book that you gifted me, that is already known to me, that you gifted me is really very interesting. Then we say the police. We always say the police, the fire brigade, the army. Here we mean the police mean police of our area. The fire brigade mean the fire brigade of our town. The army mean the when we are using the army mean we are talking about the army of our country. Okay. Then we can also say the post office, the bank, the railway station, the bus stand. Mean they are automatically particular because we are talking about when I'm saying I'm going to the bus stand, mean bus stand of my area, my town, my village. Okay. Then we have next point is we say the top, the end, the middle, the left, the right. Always the. For example, we say the top. Write your question paper series at the top of the answer sheet. At the end of the story, I will tell you dash dash dash. At the middle, I came to know that some characters were missing. At the left was standing my friend, and at the right was my brother. Then we have this next point, last. We also use the before plural number of countries. Some countries have S plural form. For example, first we will use the before plural names of countries and republics. For example, the Netherlands. It is not Netherland. The Netherlands. Netherlands, then no use of the, but it is Netherlands. So the Netherlands. And with republics also, the Republic of Ireland. The Republic of Ireland. So students, the chapter on article is over. We have learnt the use of a, and the. A before consonant sound, and before vowel sound. Then the is when we particularize a noun. And I was also telling you that sometime we pronounce the and sometime we pronounce the. This is not a ruling. This whatever I am going to teach you, that is not a ruling, but for the sake of emphasis we use the, okay, and the is the weaker form. When to use the, I have already told you in the previous video that the is used when in front of the, the word begin with or word produce vowel sound. Okay, when vowel sound has the before it, it is pronounced the. For example, the elephant. The elephant. Now you will say, earlier I was telling about an elephant, but that is any. Suppose I am saying, I have seen an elephant. Yeah, I saw an elephant. The elephant was very big. So next, first I am saying, I saw an elephant yesterday. The or the elephant was very big. Then you can say, I always read the Tribune. I always read the Indian Express. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. You must be well conversed with this topic of articles. Now we have one thing to do in the next video, in the next lesson, that is omission of articles. We students who learn English as a second language, we make so many mistakes with article the. We frequently use article the where it should not be used at all. So in the next period, I'll inform you about, I would rather we will learn about, not teach about. We are not teaching, we are just learning. So we will learn about how to avoid the use of article, where not to use article the. Okay, that we can say zero article. We have seen students using article the wrongly. So in next lesson we will learn omission of article or zero article, because in most of the examinations, whether competitive examination and in +1, this is especially for the students of +1, or some of my students are learning English, and some of my students are appearing in NDA, they are also appearing MNS, military nursing services, and we have to learn the use of article, because in common errors the examiner will wrongly use article, and then you will have to spot where he is wrong. Thank you, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.